Hello friends! Today I am going to show you the recipe of KFC style fried chicken. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some chicken leg pieces, corn flour, maida, breadcrumbs, black pepper powder, some red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, salt, 1 egg, garlic powder, oregano and chili flakes. So let's start. Now take a bowl and add some chicken leg pieces. With that, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder as per taste, turmeric powder half tablespoon, salt as per taste, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, oregano 1 tablespoon and some chili flakes. I added the chili flakes and the oregano and now we are going to mix it all well and coat them. I coated them very well and now we are going to cover it with a lid and let it marinate for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the marination process has completed and now we are going to go to the coating process. Now take a bowl and add half cup of maida in it. Then add 1/4 cup of corn flour. With that, salt as per taste, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 tablespoon. With that, some chili flakes. And now we are going to mix them all well. My dry coating is ready and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take another bowl and add 1 egg in it. With that, I am going to add salt as per taste. With that, black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. And now we are going to mix them all well. I mixed it properly and the second coating is ready and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take 1 chicken piece and coat it with the dry coating. I coated it very well and now we are going to dip it in the egg mixture. I dip it in the egg mixture and now we are going to again coat it with the breadcrumbs. I coated it with the breadcrumbs and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. Similarly, I coated all the pieces and now we are going to go to the deep fry process. Now take a pan and heat some oil and then add the pieces in it. We will let them fry until they are golden brown and crispy. The pieces are golden brown and crispy and now I am going to transfer them on a tissue paper. So the tissue paper will absorb all the oil. I transferred it into this plate. So as you can see, it looks so crunchy. So this is my delicious and tasty KFC style fried chicken recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.